Warning, a quick choice on not safe devices. Use adult supervision for this video. And but there was eyes there. So we're gonna move it there. Let's give these a spin. Okay. Oh wait, this is windy. This is nice grass. No, they're spinning around and around. But if we do, what's some other engines? We can do it. The battle. We got more out some 80th anniversary and the reboot ones. All known as old engines go. Let's give Thomas a spin again and Diesel a spin. Oh. So the engine's not feeling around. So we move her down. Oh, Thomas going straight for that. Whoops! So I have some. So let's give the 80th anniversary duck a spin. Duck. Oh, this is cool. So that was free. So it's Diesel and Thomas. But let's try this 80th anniversary. My 80th anniversary Thomas. No. So I have to put the. This is warning. If the batteries can get in the water, the batteries didn't like the water. The eyes are melting. This is cool. Let's get. Wait, I gotta have a battle. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Thomas wins! Well done! Wow, Emily didn't like the water! Let's give him a spin. Wow, it works. So let's give the CGI duck a spin too. So what's the icon? Come on, Diesel, push Thomas! Oh, thank you. You're very welcome. Oh no! Oh, Diesel, stop! Oh, Duck's trying to help him. Oh, Duck's gonna help him. Come on, Diesel, help him and. Oh, they're stuck. Because I'm using this one to make it float. Look, the battery didn't like the water. Also, let's try the. Let's give Henry a spin. Let's give Henry a spin. And let's give him a load. There we go. And also, I found this. So let's give Golden Whoa! Of course, the CGI version. So Let's see how they work. Oh, gonna do the one. Oh! He went in there. But he didn't drown. This is good news. Oh, Golden. Let's get CGI duck. And this Thomas is spin. And come on, Diesel, push him. Oh, fail. There we go. No! And no! They're both looking for the dive. Oh, Henry's not feeling well. Henry's not feeling well. But it's still working. My hands are freezing. Supposed to put them in the dry place. Oh, Thomas trying to go straight for the water. Oh, these are no! Oh, Thomas is going for the dive. Let's get Thomas out. Oh my gosh, they're sinking. I don't know, guys, save! Worst day of my life. Oh, look at Thomas is swimming in the water. Look at him. But when I turn this off, you guys are going away. And Diesel's still going, so I have to. He's fine. So I have to put on a dry, safe place. So get. Oh no! Oh, Tom's trying to drown at me for nothing. Oh, look, Thomas is out. Bye, Thomas. So, Percy, your turn. It's CGI time. Let's get CGI Percy at 1. Oh, come on, Percy, help him. No! I had to put Percy in dry, safe place because he's drowning. Like a diecast. So this is you, my Poltrax. Poltrax must be FO. Eddie of Disaster Anniversary time. Oh, this is stuck. Let's get everyone away. Let's get everyone away. Wait a minute, is Diesel and Thomas have a battle fight? Oh, there we go. Oh, Diesel wins. My button, it's wet. Was opening Thomas's body. Oh my goodness. You can see all these tremors are going to be fried soon. All of them are going to be fried. Oh, the battery's gone for nothing. Oh, Thomas is slow. He's not feeling well. If we couple this together, they can glue. So no bueno. It's great news. So let's get it for the pot. I can see this is not very well because I want to go and just gotta discontinue in 2025. Sorry if we do. But Let's try the CJ. Let's try something else. Oh, the eyes are cracking! Ow! Better melt the eyes off. Oh, this is going for a swim. Oh, stop it with his buffers. Because of the cracked eyes. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Diesel never lost his gas stove. And Tommy's going for a swim in the pool. Oh my gosh. I'm cinders and ashes. We're drowning. Oh no, no, no. Cinders and ashes. So I got them running. Let's try with the others that being wet. So I got them running. Let's see who's going to fall down this time. So this is the mission my by. He will win. Oh no! Diesel and Dark and Percy are out. Oh no! And Thomas wins. Let's try it with Wild Water Henry. Then we got the best with Duck. Diesel. We got Percy going and oh, and wait. And wait. Oh, Emily! Oh, bye, Doug, bye, Thomas. Oh my gosh, Doug's going for the swing, look! We're gonna let them try. Bye, Andrews.